Welcome. In front of me is a MyPhone N23, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen like so, twice, and then select the boot options from here and choose power off. When the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. This will then boot us into boot mode. There we go, at which point you can let go of the both buttons that you're holding. And then, using volume up, you want to either select Fastboot mode, which is the middle option, and press volume down to confirm it, or you can also navigate through recovery mode, which is the second way. So this one right here will be just like a Fastboot mode with have a written Fastboot mode at the bottom, and to leave that mode you just hold the power button till the phone turns off. With the recovery mode option, which I'm going to demonstrate right now, you press volume down as well to access that. Let's give it a second. So using volume buttons this time around, you can use both of them. You can select enter Fastboot mode, confirm it with the power button, and you can see this is a kind of different looking Fastboot mode that you can access with additional options like well, these are basically all the other modes that we're already in, like recovery mode, Fastboot, or bootloader, and then we have also option to get back to the Android and power off the device. So I'm going to stick with the first option, which is the one that gets us back to Android. Confirm with the power button. And as you can see, we are now back in our system. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.